Welcome back to SP Capital. As always, we're extremely excited to have you guys watching our video today. Um, Before we dive into today's topic, first of all, I want to start by saying I hope everybody's families are safe. I hope everybody is safe and healthy. Uh, there's a lot of stuff going on along with Corona and riots, and first and foremost, what should matter the most is everybody's well-being, and I really hope everybody has been safe and their families have been safe throughout everything that's been going on. And also, before we dive into today's topic, I just want to spend a quick second talking about um, why we've been gone for a couple of months. So since September, we've spent a lot of time devoting a lot of time and effort into our signals and our charts and just making sure that we could have as much quality setups as we can for you guys. And most importantly, not just setups that you guys will understand, um, that could help you guys get a grip. So not only will you guys benefit from it today, it'll benefit you guys 5-10 years down the line. That's the ultimate goal of everything that I do. We've been posting, like I said, the charts and the signals on Twitter, which we will post a link down below, and our Discord server. Now, this Discord server is not like anybody else's Discord server, any just regular Discord server. Yes, we do have signals on it, but that's not the only thing we offer. We offer options flow, we offer insider data, we offer sentiment, a lot of stuff that just elevates your trading and just gives you so much more insight and resources. And I would really love for you guys to go and take a look at it. I'll have the links posted below. Please go, guys, take a look. And the best part about it is it's free, but it's only free right now. So go take a look while you can. So today we're just gonna spend some time talking about Tesla. It's no surprise that everybody's talking about Tesla right now. It's made that insane rally in the last about week or 2 weeks, and on this day after I put a rectangle on these two candle formations over here, and this day right here, I said Tesla is going to rally, and it's rallied hard, nearly 40% move, which is insane, really insane. Um, that's not the only rally I called out. I also called out the rally in November, which we also saw a nearly 40% move, and we're just extremely grateful for these, being able to have the patience to wait for the setup and when to pull the trigger, and we got to reap the benefits, and everybody that followed us did too. And now I just want to spend a second to talk about what I think will happen to Tesla now. So, what I really believe when it comes to stocks or any type of asset, like Bitcoin, also crazy rally. But I said this before and I still believe this now. When everybody is talking about a certain equity or an asset, that is when you do not want to be in that. That is when it becomes everybody's knowledge, that's when you have to be aware, like, this might be a trap. Because now, if you go on Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat, everybody is talking about the Tesla stocks. Everybody is talking about Tesla. And it's now mainstream. It's mainstream now. And that's not what you want to look at when you're an investor or a trader. You want to get in before it becomes mainstream. So I know a lot of people have tried to short Tesla, but I feel like if there has been any time to short Tesla, now is the time. Why do I say that? I'll give you guys a couple of reasons, but like I said, the first reason is very blatantly clear. Everybody is talking about Tesla. Everybody. And that is an alarming sign. What that tells me is that a bubble may be forming. So, what do I use as justification for that? Well, if we look at stats, You can see that the market cap is now 834 billion. 834 billion. That's as high as some of the biggest companies in the world. Now, is it justified? That's the part that a lot of bears have been using as a thesis for the bear statement, and bulls have been using as, their thesis for their bull movement. But at this point, for Tesla to be worth as considered to be worth as high as, you could say, companies as high as Google, it's kind of absurd. Reason being, well, Tesla has a big market now and a growing market, but it's not the biggest market, right? If you go out on the street, Tesla isn't the most dominant car you see on the street. Now, I don't want to be the person that says Tesla's not future. I highly believe in Tesla's future. I've been invested in Tesla. But that's the future. Tesla has a lot of great ideas, starting from, EVs to colonizing Mars. Sounds great. It sounds amazing. Is it justified? Well, the PE ratio is 1,682. That's really high. The PE ratio is, in case you guys don't know, it's a way to value a company, right? Where the ratio is the company's share price to the company's earning per share. For Tesla, it's staggering. It's 1,682. And for a company like, let's say, Apple, which we know is a secure company, we could see that Apple will continue to innovate into the future, similar to Tesla, right? Tesla is innovating like nobody else is, right? And that's what gives Tesla the price it is. The speculation that they will keep innovating and their products will continue to be fire and all of that. But the price, as you can see right here, the price to earning ratio is 1,682, whereas Apple's PE ratio is 39.97. What I'm trying to say is that's a huge discrepancy. We could look at Amazon's. Amazon's is 92.60, right? I'll pull up the charts for you also, so we could take a look. Not the charts, the stats. The market cap is 2.2 trillion, and the PE ratio is 40.26. We could take a look at Amazon. PE ratio is 93.06. The market cap is 1.59 trillion. And we'll take another look at a really big name. Let's look at Alphabet, Google. 1.219 trillion, 51.75. That's the EPS. The PE ratio is 34.92. So you can see these very established, safe companies' PE ratios are about 30 to 40, whereas Tesla's is 1,600. That's a little bit alarming. And I 100% believe that Tesla will continue to innovate. Tesla is not at its permanent top, but these are just factors that at this price, at this overextension, that investors need to start considering, if I keep investing or I keep holding, and I'm holding in the name of faith that it will continue to go up because Tesla is so innovative. Tesla will continue to have these amazing products. It gets really risky. Now, aside from the market cap being really high, the fundamentals are there. So, can this be a top for now? We're gonna take a little look from the TA perspective. We could see that the RSI is extremely oversold. Extremely overbought, not oversold. I apologize. It's extremely overbought, and Tesla is closed, including after hour price, just under the 3.272 level. Closed at, I want to say, at 860, around 867. So what we could see from this, I'm gonna just edit a level real quickly. I'm gonna do 2.272, and we'll see that at that level we saw that Tesla dropped a little bit. It was just under where Tesla made that insane rally. I do think there is a good chance that Tesla will continue rallying to 3.618 level, as that's a common Fibonacci level. But from current conditions, I could see this as a temporary top. It does look like a good place to try a short position, because once that realization to investors that at this point currently right now, this is a bubble. This is forming a bubble. It's just going up, 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 and it's not justifying its current valuations. Once that realization comes into investors, I think that will start a corrective sell-off, and you can see a good about 20% pullback. This one good place to pull back is the 2.272 Fibonacci level, and it's about the 20 EMA. So that's about 180 points. But realistically, I would love to see a correction down to about the 600 price, because it's also a very influential level. It's the 1.65, 1.618 golden zone, and it's a healthy pullback considering how much it has gone up. But not only will it reclaim the 20 EMA, it will go back down to the 50 EMA, which is a good place for bulls to start reloading up. We could see that during the summer rally, because of this was the post-split news. From that high, Tesla corrected roughly about 30%, 33%, which if we look now, you could say about 33%, about the same thing. So I do think now is, if now more than ever, is a reasonable time to give Tesla a short attempt. Again, the reason being a couple. One, everybody is talking about it. Everybody is talking about it, and when everybody is talking about it, that is not when you want to be in a stock. That means now it's common news, common information for everybody, and market manipulator, MMs, market managers, whatever you want to call them, they do not want everybody to get advantages. So when everybody is reeled in, they will pull out their money so they could profit and watch everybody else crash. It's just the way the market works. It's our job to be able to read when this could happen and how we could profit from it. So on top of everybody talking about it, we spoke a little bit about the market cap and the PE ratio, not necessarily justifying its current valuation. And we also talked about how overextended it is, and how even in a technical analysis standpoint, it does look like a good area to short. And just a little, just to top it off, this is WSB God, his very famous Wall Street Bet type of guy, Wall Street Bets guy. And he posted today that not everybody. He's posted today that he is completely out of Tesla. No stock, no options. Is this the end of the world or anything? No. Wall Street Bets has such a big influence on the market these days. I just think this is something else that should be in the back of your mind. If someone as influential as him, who's been riding Tesla just as much as we have, when someone like that is out of Tesla, it's just something to keep note of, So how would I play this? Currently, before Friday close, market close, I bought this week expiring put. Went with really out the money options. Went with the 700 strikes. Considering that they're puts, even if Tesla drops a little bit, which I believe the first place where Tesla would, if it did pull back, the first place would be around the 770 level. Um, At the money, puts would print a lot, and at this level, I would consider, well, what's the price action looking like? Is buyers coming back in, or did it break straight through, or is there conflict? That's something that we have to keep looking at. And at that point, if Tesla did pull back to the 770 levels, be a 10% correction. Not bad, a 100-point move, but like I said, ideally, um, the two prospects that I see is a 20% correction from here, roughly 20% correction from here to the 20 EMA. More than likely, if we do get a pullback, I think the most likely situation would be a 30% pullback to the 50 EMA, also to this influential level of the 1.65, 1.618 golden zone level. And just like after the the August rally, the stock split news, we saw Tesla correct 30%. And mind you, this 30% correction happened in a matter of days. We saw Tesla drop nearly 170 points in just a matter of days. So for people to think it's impossible that could happen now, it's not impossible. It's very possible. It's just a matter of something to keep an eye out. And as always, I'm trying to be ahead of everybody else. That's the best way to make money. So this would be the prospect. Really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Really hope you guys, take a look at our server and our Twitter channel and try to just take advantage of as much resources as you can, because we understand that trading is hard, and our top priority is to make sure that everybody can understand what they're doing. We're not just trying to feed everybody one time. We want to teach you guys how to feed yourselves, and that's the best investment you can have in yourself. We'll be posting much more videos, so stay tuned, subscribe, and share. I hope you guys enjoy. Please stay safe. Till next time.